Mm. Mm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, go!
No, wait until let's go.
Bike. Tirupati. Man, I'm missing my Polo. I'll drive it tomorrow. It's gonna be mad on the very first day. Dominar got a great welcome, man. I thought water crossing will happen in Ladakh or Spiti, but the water crossing is happening in Bangalore. Hey, hi, how are you? This is me, Rupesh. Before getting into today's video, if you're not subscribed yet or if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. Our channel has content related to travel, motovlogging, lifestyle, everything. So coming to today's video, I'm going to travel today from Tirupati to Bangalore on my Dominar. If you missed Dominar videos, I'm leaving iCard above for motovlogging playlist. You can check there. And please drive carefully and responsibly. People will be waiting for you at home. So I'm getting ready. Once I get ready, I'll meet you guys from the GoPro view. So I'm starting. You can see my kid is playing. Mm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, go!
No, wait until let's go.
Okay, it's time to start. Baba. See, I know they're smiling, but they have a lot of pain and they're worried about me driving on bike. But it is what it is. I know I'm not someone who will drive rash or don't think of people. I'll think of them and I'll drive responsibly and carefully. It's a bit emotional, but see, I have some dreams, I have some things to do for myself, so I'll be doing this. But please don't get inspired seeing me. I'm not encouraging to do this. That is what I want to say. Motovlogging is not my career or motovlogging is not my profession. I have other profession. I work in software. This is just part-time. I don't know how is the GoPro view. I need to check. I think it should be fine. So I took a diversion from inside the city. Now I'll be heading towards the highway. I have reached the highway. Always be careful when taking diversions because people will be coming too fast from the straight. See the view, man. It is, I think, Seshachalam Hills, if I'm not wrong, but we call them Tirupati Hill. It's splendid actually. Oh man, this is a 6-lane highway. See how beautiful it is and how broad the road is. In nearby places there is no such highway. In entire Chittoor district or somewhere around here, this is seriously so beautiful. See, that is what I told in my previous video, I think in helmet mounting or Dominar review video, I think. Cattle comes out of nowhere and creates a panic on the road, so better don't drive fast even on highways. Maintain some speed where you can control your bike properly, be it 80 or 90 or whatever. But just see if you can control your bike properly. It's drizzling a little, let's see. I'm carrying raincoat, but I don't know. Bike. Tirupati. Bangalore. Hi. We had a small chat. This is called Biker Brotherhood, and also I missed to show the dhaba which we regularly go. If you missed my vlog with my friends, you would have not known, but if you saw the vlog with my friends, you know that is HP Lucky Dhaba, which is on Tirupati Chittoor highway, and it is a very good place. We regularly visit there, and yesterday night also we visited there. It's very good. The location has changed a lot, and with lights it's seriously so beautiful. This highway, damn, I'm out of words, man. I already told in my last 2-3 vlogs, but see, this is so good. So I am near the first toll gate. In today's ride, this will be the first toll gate. I am traveling in car from last 4 years, so I was not paying any toll till now. But this will be the first time I have to pay toll. It's fun without paying toll. Drizzling a little, I'll see it, but I don't feel anything because I'm in full riding gear. This is manageable. If it becomes heavy, I have to stop and keep the GoPro inside. I think it's getting heavier, man. Yes, it's getting heavier. I'll wear raincoat and I'll keep the GoPro inside. Rain didn't get heavier, or I didn't keep the GoPro inside. You can see the clouds are too beautiful, man. Complete sky. Till now the ride is so smooth. I think I have traveled more than 45-50 kilometers. There was a small diversion. The road work is not complete yet. I can see the highways on the left side, but they made a small diversion and kept. I'm going inside some village now. You can see it's closed over there. Yeah. So we have joined again here on the highway. So the 6-lane highway construction is not yet complete. Man, I'm missing my Polo. I'll drive it tomorrow. I'll go now, keep the bike in Bangalore, return back to Tirupati tonight in bus maybe. And then tomorrow evening again I'll go back to Bangalore taking my Polo. See how beautifully the road is carved in between these two hills. So good. The highway part is done. I mean, the highway part is done in the sense the 6-lane highway part is done. Now it will be 4-lane highway and it is a cement road. Be careful while taking diversions here and there. I basically don't like cement road because the ride will be too bumpy and you can hear a lot of tire noise. Till Karnataka border the road will be like this and I have to bear it. I am near the second toll now, so this will be the second toll in our ride today. Since I am on bike, I will not be asked to pay any toll. And if you saw my Bangalore to Tirupati vlog, you already know this is a different toll. Entry will be one side, exit will be one side, like it is not on the same side. So here people will pay toll who are going towards Chittoor. There people will pay toll who are going towards Bangalore. Okay, successfully 2 toll gates. I think I have traveled around 30 kilometers on this stretch, cement road stretch. This is a place which is very dangerous. It's like almost a uphill, so bus, lorry, everything will be struggling. So it's all uphill, so steep. Before 2-3 years the road was very pathetic. I would say it was a single road. Now it's all good from Tirupati till Bangalore. It used to take 5 to 6 hours. Now we can reach hardly 4 hours, I should say. Within 4 hours we can reach some statue. Too big. I have reached Karnataka border and this will be the third toll gate. Bangalore is 115 kilometers from here. It will take maybe under 2 hours. Okay, the cement road part is done. Now it's all tar road till Bangalore. Between my GoPro charging has completed, so I charged and took my mobile out and kept. There is no checking, no stoppage or anything. It's just directly going out. So this is a biker's lane. Oh, our Dominar is in Karnataka now. Karnataka. and I'll be mostly doing vlogs from Bangalore only, so the bike is going to be Bangalore based moto vlogging stuff. All my trips are going to start from Bangalore only in case if I do something. I can feel a lot of temperature change. I can see there is a drop of around 5 to 10 degrees because I can feel the cool breeze on my shoulders and chest, because the jacket ventilation is so good, so I'm getting inside. The breeze is too cool now. That is the first thing I love in Bangalore and Karnataka. The climate is so cool here. So this is the 4th toll gate. 2 are in Andhra and this is the second one in Karnataka. So in total 4. There is one more near Bangalore. I have driven almost 170 plus kilometers. I need to take a break and have some water or some snacks. I'll check. So I am stopping here for a quick water break. I am going to take just water and come back. Nothing else. I made a small jugaad at home. I bought straw so that I don't remove a helmet and drink water or something when I also take a break. See the straw, what straw? Done with my water bike and I am starting back. It will take another 1.5 hours to reach Bangalore. I will continue the vlog. I'm going for a fuel stop, which is the fuel is not empty. It has almost 3 liters, but still let me fill it. In Andhra the petrol price is 108.12 thousand rupees. Here it's 105. Card. Got 9.51 liters for 1000 rupees. I didn't record the money I kept in my back pocket has fell down. Oh my god, something happened, man. Oh. Lorry wala has hit the barricade. Sand for the fire extinguisher. I mean, like the sand used for fire extinguishing has fell down. Fuel stop is done. I have started back. It's already getting dark. The sunset has happened and it's dark. You can observe. I don't know whether you can see in the GoPro view properly or not, but I can see from here it is already getting dark. I don't know how is the evening view. I'm just recording. If you guys like this, just comment and like. Oh man, I don't know whether you can observe or not. It has started raining. It's getting quite heavy. The rain is just playing hide and seek with me. Every time I feel that it is raining heavy, it is stopping, because it is just for 500 meters or 1 kilometer, then it is again not raining. Every time I'm thinking to keep the GoPro inside, but I'm not keeping it. The GoPro is waterproof, but we should be careful. That is why people keep it when it is raining. Maybe another 30 minutes, I guess. I'll reach the last toll gate, then it will be Bangalore outskirts. I hope it doesn't rain till I reach home. There is a Himalayan bike going in front of me and he is using hazard lamp. Even I have it, I'll use it now. I was telling in my FlashX hazard module video, I'm leaving iCard above. In rain or during night times, when we're traveling on highways, it will be very useful. See, that guy is almost 300 to 500 meters, but still I can see that FlashX hazard module glowing. I won't say FlashX hazard module. There are many companies which are selling hazard modules. I'll say hazard module. Oh, sorry guys, Himalayan has it by default. I forgot the same. It's Royal Enfield Himalayan. Royal Enfield Himalayan has hazard module lamp by default. There is a switch, I guess. Last and final toll gate, 5th toll gate from Bangalore to, sorry, from Tirupati to Bangalore. There is a lot of traffic. Bangalore traffic starts from here itself. I didn't take the bikers route, I took the auto, but anyway it's fine. No toll. So all tolls are over and now it's Bangalore city time. Let's enjoy the Bangalore traffic. Enjoy the Bangalore city, man. Anyway, Bangalore is love. It just feels so different compared to Tirupati. Even though my hometown is Tirupati, I like Bangalore a lot. The climate, the atmosphere, the vibe, you don't get over there. That's a different feel, this is a different feel. So officially this is the first signal in Bangalore. This is the advantage of being a biker. I can find small spaces here. So that is a signal. This is the second signal. So after 1 kilometer of the first signal we will get another signal. So 2 signals. After this it's direct KR-Puram. Biggest problem in Bangalore is traffic. Apart from that everything is okay. Oh man, there is another signal. So total 3 signals. This is KR-Puram. Bicycle boy. So this is ITPL gate. There I think you can see, if you take left you will go to Whitefield, Martha Lake. If I go straight we will go Tin Factory. From there if you want to go Hebbal you can take right, if you want to go Indiranagar you can go straight. So this is a KR-Puram bridge with lights during the night time. The bridge is so beautiful. Let me pass through it, you will see how beautiful it looks like. This is like a hanging bridge. This is Tin Factory Junction. Generally there will be so much of traffic here, but today it's fine. I directly got down from the bridge. I stay near Nagavara, so I am going to take a right and take the bridge. If you go under the bridge, you will go Indiranagar, Majestic. See that side, man, the traffic. Damn it. I think you can see the traffic. I'm coming to Bangalore after almost 2 months. I forgot completely about traffic, and see till where the traffic is. So bad. Generally from here it takes around 15 minutes to go to my home. It will take definitely more than 30 minutes. This is the traffic near Hebbal flyover. I am not going on the flyover. I need to take a diversion here. Take the service road and go under the bridge. But see, it's been almost 10 minutes. I am stuck here. Now it's slowly moving. This is how we go to Hyderabad and Bangalore airport. You have to take the flyover above and then go. There you can see the lorries are moving. I'm not going straight, I will go right. See the traffic, man. Oh my god, even this side it's heavy traffic. Namaskara, Bengaluru. Right hogi, left hogi, ha. The thing is, because of this traffic, I came on the wrong side. I have to go under the bridge, but I came this side, so I have to go front, take a U-turn and again come back. I don't know where is the U-turn even. It's gonna be mad on the very first day. Dominar got a great welcome, man. That is a great Manyata Tech Park. Embassy Manyata. The home for software. I'm not yet done with the U-turn. I'm still searching for the U-turn. I traveled almost 2 kilometers after the bridge. No bridge, man. I'm not going to take bridge this time. Last time I took the bridge unnecessarily and I'm traveling 3 kilometers extra. Not 3 plus 3. I need to take U-turn and go back 3 again. Total 6 kilometers. Somehow I found the U-turn, man, after 3 kilometers under this bridge. I thought water crossing will happen in Ladakh or Spiti, but the water crossing is happening in Bangalore. Because of one small misjudgment and one diversion, I traveled almost 7 kilometers and stuck in this traffic and lost almost 20 to 25 minutes. Somehow successfully I got into the road which goes to my home. I'll reach home in another 10-15 minutes. Finally I have reached home. The Bangalore traffic was too hectic after the first toll gate. You saw it was very bad. And also I missed the diversion and took the bridge and it costed me another 30 minutes extra. So in total the ride was 250 kilometers. It took me 5 hours 30 minutes, which was too long, but still it's okay. The ride on Dominar was too smooth. I'm not having any shoulder pain or back pain or any discomfort. I'm absolutely fine. So I can tour it long, maybe 500-600 kilometers in a day. If you want me to ride again, I can ride right now, but I'm not doing it because now I'm going to travel in bus to Tirupati and pick my wife and kid and come back to Bangalore in Polo tomorrow evening. It's been almost 4 years I boarded a bus. Tonight I'm going to board again. So I hope you guys like the video. This is a motor vlog, so it was more of roads. In case if you guys like the video, please press the like button and comment. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. This is me, your Rupesh, signing off. Take care. Catch you in the next video. Bye bye.